welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and I'm so excited about today's video. I bet you're wondering what a WOZ is. W-O-Z. The thumbnail might have confused you just a little bit. It stands for Wizard of Oz. Yes, so a few months ago, Teresa and I did a fun collab that was Alice in Wonderland themed. What we did was we didn't tell each other anything about what we were making. The only rules were we couldn't tell each other and make something based on the film Alice in Wonderland. That's it. That was the only rules. Well, you guys liked it so much and we liked it so much that we're doing it again. This time we chose The Wizard of Oz because on August 26th is the anniversary of the film, 85 years. Oh my goodness. I am here to announce the WOZ collab is officially started. So Teresa and I have 29 days to make something. We can do whatever we want. We don't have to crochet. We opened it to all crafting because we are just celebrating creativity here. On the 30th of August on my channel, we will be live and Teresa and I will reveal what we made. So you guys will see it for the first time and so will we. It was a lot of fun for Alice in Wonderland. It got a little crazy, but that's appropriate, right? And I think it's funny that we went from one fantasy land to another fantasy land. What will we do next? So we are going to reveal live on my channel on the 30th of August at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. So you don't want to miss that. It'll be really wild and really fun because whenever Teresa and I get together, it's a little chaotic, but lots of fun. I have been on so many lives. I have been on so many lives, and I think Teresa and I seem to have the most fun. I think our lives are really fun. We make each other laugh. We talk about really silly things. And it just seems like you guys have such a good time too. But I know we do. So I hope you enjoy it as much as we do because, yeah, Teresa and I love it when we go live together. We would love to have more people. So hey, people, if you want to go live with us at some point in time, email on either of our channels. We would love to have like a fun little group live. For this free version of StreamYard, I could have 4 more people. So me, Teresa, and 4 others at some point. So if anybody wants to do like a fun little live, let me know. But anyway, so that is what the WOZ collab is all about. If you guys want to get involved, you can email either of us and we will have a fun little slideshow on our channel. So feel free to make anything based on the 1939 film Wizard of Oz. And all you have to do is send us pictures with the, in the subject line, it needs to say WOZ in all caps, and then whatever you want it to say. But it has to say WOZ, so it's very easy for us to find in our emails. And that's how you can be involved too. Okay. If you don't know who Teresa is, how could you possibly be on my channel and not know who Teresa is? Or at least how could you be a subscriber? Because I mention her all the time. In fact, I got the funniest little note from somebody who said that they were shocked that Nova and I were crochet besties. According to this person, she thinks that the crochet community thinks Teresa is my bestie. Oh, that note made me laugh so much. I can see that. I can see how you would say that. And it's true, we do talk almost daily. And I guess Teresa is another crochet bestie. However, the Nova and I thing started because of Sam at Memphis Makes. She mentioned it and we tacked onto it and we thought it was funny. And so, yeah. So maybe we'll have to come up with another term for what Teresa and I are. Crazy, that's what we are. We're crazy. So yeah, that note made me laugh. Good point. You know who you are. Good point. So, how many of you love The Wizard of Oz? Oh my goodness, it is such a beautiful film. It is so wonderful. Oh, it has so many secrets, so much fun. Some of my favorite Oz channels, if you want to visit some more YouTube fun with Oz, I love Teacup for One. Matt is phenomenal. If you do not know him, go find him. He is wonderful. If you love Shakespeare, he's also really great at that. And of course, Tori from the Oz vlog. If you don't know who Tori is, you're not an Oz fan. So those are two of my favorites, but there are many, many more. And of course, there are tons of accounts on Instagram. So Wizard of Oz is a very, very big fan base. They even have like official clubs and stuff. I'm a very, I guess, common Oz fan. I don't really count very much, but I am a very big Wicked fan. Very big. Not professionally, but I'm a very big Wicked fan. So anything Oz or Wicked, just yes.
If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thank you.
The Wicked movie. Oh yes. The Wicked movie coming out in November, which went up a week. It is now going to be, the premiere is going to be the 22nd of November. I've never done this in my life. But if they do the premiere on the 22nd at midnight, my friend and I are doing a midnight premiere. If they do it that way. If they do it the Thursday before, we can't do it because she lives way far away and she can't drive and stay the night. But either way, we are going to be there on the 22nd. I don't care what I have to do. I'm going to be there. I'm so excited. So the Wicked film is coming and we are like Wicked bounding. You know how they call it Disney bounding? We are Wicked bounding. I am Elphaba, and of course she is my Glinda, of course. And oh, it's so exciting. Yes. Oh my gosh, all the merch that's coming out. Oh, I would love to do a video on here when a bunch of the merch is released and we just talk about it. I think that would be super fun. I gotta say, the two shirts that came out recently, it's not the pictures I thought they'd pick, so I'm a little disappointed. They were showing so much of that cute one with Elphaba standing in the field and Glinda leaning on her shoulder. I loved that picture. I really thought that would be on a shirt, but that's not the one they chose. Or the one where Glinda is putting the flower in Elphaba's hair and they're looking in the mirror. That was such a cute shot from the trailer, and that's gone crazy, and that's not a shirt yet either. Hey, if you guys have Etsy shops and you make, you know, fun fan merch, these are shirts people want. Trust me. Trust me, trust me. These are shirts people want. So that's it. That's all I've got to say. Short, sweet video today. So thank you so much for being here. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. Sorry, I probably should have said that at the beginning. The name Spoonie Stitcher is, I get this question all the time. A Spoonie is somebody with a chronic condition, and the Stitcher part is because this is called the Stitchery, and because I stitches, you know, I'm also covered in them. So I've had many, many surgeries, and I look like a shark attack. So it's fine. Scars just mean I'm human. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.
Don't forget to check out our last collab if you missed it. Teresa did a live on her channel, and I did a video on mine.